welcome back to my YouTube channel Recipes World of Shalini. So it is me Shalini and welcoming you all in this channel. So today we are going to make this ice cream, custard vanilla ice cream. See how creamy it looks like and very delicious. Perfect ice cream. Now let's start making it. Please do, if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get started. Start making our ice cream. First of all, take a kadhai, then turn the flame on. Here we are taking 1.5 liters of milk. It is full fat cream milk. Try to take full fat milk so that our ice cream will be well thickened. So let's start pouring it. Alright. See friends, it's full fat cream milk. So our ice cream will be well thickened. Friends, here we have taken the milk that we kept on room temperature. Better taking on the room temperature milk. Friends, take 2 tablespoons of milk separate from this and pour it into a bowl or a cup. Yes, that's enough. Friends, because we are making here custard vanilla ice cream, so we are taking here Weakfield custard powder, vanilla flavor. So friends, let's take 1 tablespoon of the custard powder, that is a vanilla flavor, and add it to it. Now let's take another spoon of custard powder. So here we are taking total 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Keep on mixing it so that otherwise lumps will be made. Keep stirring it. So here it is changing its color to yellow. See friends, because we have taken here full fat cream milk, so this ghee this ghee is visible, right? That's why I was recommending you to take the full fat cream milk. See, the ghee is separating out from it. It's floating on its surface, right? Friends, turn the flame to low. Keep on stirring it with the help of the spatula. Any kind of spatula you can take, or a wooden or any other. Friends, keep on stirring it, otherwise it will get burnt from beneath. Friends, scrape its sides like this. Please be careful while doing this, otherwise the milk will get burnt and your efforts will go in vain. Alright, so keep on stirring it. Friends, now turn the flame to medium and keep scraping its sides and also stirring it. See friends, it is becoming thick. Alright, so keep on stirring it properly so that it will not get burned. See friends, here it is a boil now. See how clear it is. Friends, when the milk came to a boil, then we will add 250 grams of sugar in it. Okay, so let's add it like this. Now mix it well. Alright, so mix it well like this. The sugar should be soluble in it. Let's mix it well. Now friends, turn the flame on high and just keep on stirring it. So friends, in its second boil, now we are adding here a cap of vanilla essence. Okay, so of vanilla essence we have added here. Now just keep on stirring it and keep scraping its sides. It is very important because some that cream just accumulated there. Now we are adding here this custard mixture that we have made before. Now let's add it. Alright, friends, remember one thing, that we have added custard powder to the milk on the room temperature. Do not add that custard powder to the lukewarm or warm milk. Now just keep on stirring it and make it thick. Alright, now keep on scraping its sides too. Friends, here we are taking this pure desi malai that we get from our milk. We are taking 1 tablespoon of malai here. Now let's add this to it. Alright, it will give it very good taste, and it will help in thickening the ice cream very quickly. Now let's stir it, and while stirring the malai, we will turn this flame on high. Alright, not on medium, not on low, on high. Now keep on stirring. Friends, see here this cream gets accumulated, so we will keep on scraping this cream. Alright, like this, and keep on stirring it, otherwise the milk will get burnt. Now here it is a boil. Now turn the flame on low. Alright, friends, keep on repeating this procedure to thick this ice cream. Alright, friends, see how creamy it is looking and how tasty, delicious, yummy, etc. it is looking. See. Okay, now let's scrape its sides. Oh my god, how creamy, right? See how creamy. See, right? Now let us scrape its sides and also keep stirring it. See how creamy it is. Wow, tasty, very tasty. See how yummy. It is changing its color to yellow, but it is not visible in this video. See, friends, how creamy sides are here. Now just scrape it well so that the cream will not get smushed with it. Friends, just have a look on the spatula. One layer is coated on this. Now we have to coat another layer too. See, it's thickened now. Enough thickened. Now let's see the coating on the spatula. Wow, how thick it is, right? Here comes another boil. Now let's turn the flame on low, and let's see. Wow, perfect. Friends, now let's take a cake tin of any kind of shape. You can take any utensil in which this cream can properly freeze. Here I have taken the cake tin. Now friends, let's pour this mixture into the cake tin. Alright, perfect, yes. Friends, let's scrape all the cream that is sticked in this utensil. Friends, tap. Let's tap this tin. Friends, here I was not having its lid, so I am covering it with silver foil like this by all the sides. Right. So it's properly covered. Friends, let's keep this in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. We can also keep this in the refrigerator overnight too, and let's see the result after 4 to 5 hours. Friends, let's see the results after 5 hours. After 5 hours of freezing, you just take out this tin from the refrigerator and let it be set for some minutes to melt. Let's see the results after 15 minutes. Remove the foil paper. Alright, so it is melted. Okay. Friends, now just take a grinding jar. And with the help of any spatula, just pour this mixture of ice cream into the grinding jar like this. Alright. We'll pour the whole mixture in this. So we have poured the mixture in the grinding jar. Now cover its lid and grind this mixture. Friends, here we have grinded the mixture. See the air, see the bubbles are there. These bubbles will help the ice cream to be lightened in weight and creamy. Now here I have taken a bread tin and we are going to freeze the ice cream in this only. Now just pour the mixture. Wow. Very nice. Now we will just tap it like this to remove the air bubbles. Here I have taken some fruit cherry. You can take any color. You can take any color cherry. If you are having multicolor, you can take that also. And this is completely optional. If you like it, then add it, or if you don't like it, then don't add it. Friends, now let's freeze it in the refrigerator or in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours. Friends, but before freezing it, just cover this tin from foil paper that we have covered before, like this. Like this. Now let's freeze it in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours. See the results after 5 hours. Now remove this foil paper. Oh wow, delicious, right? See how stiff it is. Alright, so friends, now it's ready to serve. Now let's serve it in a bowl. Friends, to serve it in a bowl, we will take a scoop, and if you are not having a scoop, you can take this kind of a spoon. So now let's take it out like this. Wow, like this. Friends, you can take it out from the tin from any utensil, or is it a knife or is it a scoop? Oh wow, see how delicious this ice cream is looking. See how creamy, right? Now let's taste it. Wow, how hard and creamy, right? Yeah, just see. Alright, if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.